Alam mo ba yung cracks niya, ano? Yan ay sinusukat kung ganong kalapad, kung ganong kahaba, at ganong kadami. At kung saan yung location. Ito matindi. The crack here is more than 5 millimeter, and this is very, very alarming. No repair made before, as we have seen, so it could be cracked before, very, very thin, and now maybe the earthquake made terrible effect for this. See, all over. I don't know what kind of repair they're going to do here, but I believe all this stuff should be taken out and to be replaced.